Okay, so Diane made a video out of me now, and he also ripped off my content. So here are another reasons. 1. Diane unleashed grounded threats to me, which I strongly disagree with. He's not my father. 2. He ripped off my content which I disapprove. 3. He claimed that I am toxic, when he's the one who's actually toxic. 4. He called me stupid, when he's one actually. And Diane, if you are watching this. Didn't you hear what I just said in the previous constructive criticism vid out of you? When I said leave us alone, I mean leave us alone, so leave us alone. And also, don't rip off my content without my permission. My content are my works, and I disallow those who copy me and call it original. Alex TTL used to say that I copied his content, which pisses me off a bit. That's all. Anyway, special thanks to Dan C in Discord for pinging me and considering it important. My next video will be the review of Windows Wizard Build 2428. Anyway, see ya.